Should you buy an older home or should you buy a newer home? That's the question. It's Danny Lair with Keller Williams and the Walker Group, and today we're going to talk about the benefits of both. Some of the advantages of buying an older home are things like character, they have charm, you have the potential for sweat equity. You can pay a lower price for a home, do a little renovations to it, bring the value up. Some of the advantages of buying a newer home, they're way more energy efficient, they're lower maintenance, they have open concept floor plans, and one of the biggest things with the newer home, if you're building, you get to design it. So, should you buy an older home or should you buy a newer home? That decision is ultimately up to you and your family and what works best for you. However, if you have any questions about starting that process, give me a call. My name is Danny Lair. I'm with Keller Williams and the Walker Group. My phone number is 318-229-1318.